Hi, I'm Andy. In this short WingtraCLOUD tutorial, I will show you how to add custom terrain and use the measurement feature. Let's start by planning our flight. In mining, quarries and landfill projects, accuracy and safety are everything. With rapidly changing terrain due to blasting, digging, or being covered with compact waste, traditional flight planning can lead to risky flights and inaccurate data. With WingtraCLOUD's intuitive 3D flight planning mode, you get an efficient, precise, and safe way to collect data every time. By directly importing high-resolution terrain data from previously flown and mapped projects, you can plan flights based on real-time data. Here you can select the flight that you need. I preloaded this into the system, and now over here I can collect this demo site here, and now the terrain has shifted. This creates a closure to ensure safe, accurate and compliant flights, with projects being able to be colorized by GSD to be able to give the best level of flight available. Because this is a mine, we should change our flight direction to make this parallel with the mine walls itself. Perfect. Without updated terrain data or outdated terrain data, your drone could fly dangerously close to the ground or high wall. With WingtraCLOUD, you can also use measurements. Here we can zoom into the mine itself and we can measure from a specific point within the mine on the flight path and see how close we are to the terrain itself. We can see this is a distance of 333 meters. This means accurate terrain data means safer, smarter missions. With WingtraCLOUD, you don't just plan flights, you ensure the highest level of quality, efficiency, and safety for your mine surveys. Thank you for joining. Bye.